All right, we reported a short while back of actor Vijay's statement, and right now news coming in that the storm over the release of the film is now over. Theatre owners treading very cautiously at this time. Theatre owners will now meet and decide whether the action film will release on Diwali or not. Srisha Reddy, my colleague, joining me live from Chennai. Srisha, bring some clarity into what has happened in the past few minutes. We are hearing that the impasse has been resolved for now, but the theatre owners are not very convinced. They're still treading very cautiously.
Well, exactly, Sanay. There will be a lot of confusion among fans whether the film will release or not, because yesterday late in the night there was a statement from the production house that the film will be released on Diwali, that is tomorrow. When again, as soon as the news broke out, we did see an attack on the theatres which were deciding to open the bookings for this particular film. And again, after the attack, now all the theatres have stalled the bookings. They are saying that unless and until they get a confirmation from the Theatre Owner Association, they will not go ahead with the reservations. But yes, of course, now Vijay has sent out a statement saying it's been cleared for release. That's from the production side again. But now the pro-Tamil groups are saying that they don't have, they're not arrived on consensus whether they should go ahead with the film or not. The theatre owners, on the other hand, don't want to take any chances because they don't want a repeat of what happened to Thalaiva, because remember, the second time after Vijay is running into rough water, for the release of his film. So they want to wait to know if, to get a green signal from the pro-Tamil group, and then only they will go ahead with the release of the film.
Absolutely, because now after actor Vijay's statement, what remains to be seen is whether these pro-Tamil groups are okay now with the dropping of the name of Laika Productions, or will they still have some objections to the release of this film?
Well, the pro-Tamil groups have been now saying that they have not arrived on the consensus, because earlier they were demanding that the Laika name, the Laika Mobile, should be removed from the banner, though the production company did agree to do that. But again, there seems to be confusion. There seems to be confusion among the theatre owners themselves. So that is the reason why they are meeting. As we speak, the meeting is still underway. So once they decide on this particular meeting, they will go ahead with the release of the film once they get the consensus from the pro-Tamil groups, because they don't want to take any chances of attack that what we saw last night.
Right, Srisha. So we're waiting more clarity really as far as the release of Kathi is concerned, and we'll keep coming back to you as and when you have more inputs. For the moment, thanks so much.